I'm going to show you how to pick up stitches along the vertical edge of garter stitch. Garter stitch has these wonderful ridges, and when I'm picking up along this edge, I'm going to pick up one stitch between each ridge. So I'm going to take my one needle here, make sure I have my working yarn close. I'm going to take my needle. I like to use this purl bump kind of as a guide. So I'm going to take my needle, insert it just below that purl bump through the fabric, take my yarn, wrap it around that needle, and pull it back through to the front side. So you can use your fingers to tack down that tail. So once again, between the next two ridges, I'm going to use that purl bump as a guideline, take my needle, insert it through the fabric, wrap my yarn around knitwise, use the tip of that needle to pull it to the front side of the fabric. Now we have two stitches. And you just travel all the way up the edge of your fabric like this. Insert, wrap it around, pull it through. That's how you pick up along the vertical edge of garter stitch.